Welcome to Track 3D. Let's explore how to use public share links to easily share your project realities with external project team. First, navigate to your desired project and level. Then select a capture point and select View Image option from the pop-up window. Once within the image, click on the drop-down menu to see Share Link option. Simply click on the share icon. A pop-up window will appear with sharing options. Here, you can choose between two share modes: Current View, which shares everything visible in your current view, or Current Level, which shares only data from the specific level you're on. Once you've selected your preferred share mode, the system will generate a unique link and copy the link to your clipboard and share it through email, chat, or any other communication channel. When you create a new link, public sharing will automatically be enabled. You can manage the sharing settings in the project details section. Here, you'll find a toggle button to enable or disable public sharing. Keep in mind that disabling public sharing will permanently revoke all existing shared links. Just remember that this action is permanent and will affect all existing shared links. We hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at support@track3d.ai. Thank you for using Track 3D.